What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the I Am the Warranty YouTube channel. Today we are looking at the Speman Icon Brass 8-jet fixed shower head. Let me tell you, this thing is heavy. It is not like most of those cheap metal ones. Looks a lot different with that spray pattern. This lever moves back and forth, and you can see these move in and out. Doesn't look like much when it's not running. I gotta tell you, when it is, it makes a difference. So when it's in this mode, it feels like buckets of water just being dumped on it. Great for washing your hair. Rotate it out, strong streams of air. Very nice shower head.